What's up, folks? It's Dan here from BeAGameCharacter.com, where we turn games into gains, and today we're going over the goblet squat. For the goblet squat, which is a great leg exercise you can do with dumbbells, you're going to need one dumbbell. It can be an adjustable dumbbell, it can be a standard hex dumbbell, whatever you've got. Alright? But what you need is one dumbbell, and what you're going to do is you're going to hold it. If it's an adjustable dumbbell, you're going to rest the plate on your hands like this. If it's a hex dumbbell, you're just going to bring your hands a little closer and hold it around the top hex. Alright? You're going to start with your feet just about shoulder width apart, your toes turned out a little bit, not completely out to the side, but think like a 45-degree angle almost. You want to stand up straight and have a good upper posture as you hold the weight against your chest, alright? And then you're going to squat down, and then back up again. Alright? One more time, squat down, and back up. And you want to make sure that you're keeping posture the entire time that you're doing this. Let me show you from the side. Again, start with those feet shoulder width apart, toes turned out slightly, down, and back up, down, and back up. You want to make sure that you're not leaning forward as you're doing this, and you also want to make sure that you're keeping your weight on your heels as you're driving down and back up again, because you don't want to let your weight go forward and have your weight be on your toes, not great for your knees, all right? But that's it. Great leg exercise, especially if you don't have access to a barbell for regular back or front squats. Also very good for posture, great for making sure that your back stays straight, working those erector muscles, keeping everything upright. Thank you for watching. As always, remember to live boldly, change the world, and continue to be awesome. Bye-bye.
Listen!